Hi, this is Scoggin, and hope everybody's doing fine out there and not sick with all this coronavirus going around. You guys be careful and stay safe out there. What I'm doing today is I'm making Boston iced tea my way. And you say, what is Boston iced tea? It's a black tea with cranberry juice. And that's all what Boston iced tea is. I don't really know where they got the name Boston iced tea from, but I'm thinking it's probably got something to do with the British. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I make it, and it's real simple to make, and it's really good. If you like cranberry juice, then you'll love this tea. And I'll go ahead and get started and show you how I make it. Okay, what you need is of course, the tea. And what I use is I really enjoy the taste of this. It's English breakfast tea. This is 100% pure black tea. And I use these tea bags, and I'm making a half a gallon of the Boston iced tea. So you'll need 5 of these tea bags. And what I also do, because I don't like a whole lot of sugar, I don't want to take in a whole lot of sugar. So what I also do is I use 2 of these Lipton Southern Sweet Tea bags, and this has got a sweetener in it, and that way I don't have to use sugar. I don't take any sugar in, but you do it however you like to do it, and just letting you know how I do it. But you can add sugar to it if you like sugar. Then add it. Add it to your taste. And to make the iced tea, all what you need is a pot with boiling water, and you put your tea bags in and let them just boil. And when it comes to boiling, turn off the stove and just let them sit and steep for about 5-6 minutes. And then what you do is just pour the tea into the pitcher. Me, what I do is I do it a little bit different. I boil the water, put the tea bags in the pitcher, and then just pour the water over the tea bags and let them steep for about 5 or 6 minutes, and then I take it out. And what I've done is I've already taken the tea bags out of the tea here. I use the cranberry juice, what's in the bottle here. I usually use the frozen cranberry juice concentrate, but I'm having problems finding it, so this works just as good. The other one has a more bold flavor to it, but this one works. And I also like the flavor what it gives with Ozarka spring water, so that's what I use also. So I'll go ahead and get started here and show you how to do this. Real simple to do. All that you do, like I say, you just I have 1 cup of cranberry juice, and just pour the cranberry juice in, and then you just fill it up with the water. Like I say, this is a half a gallon, so a pitcher, so this is what I'm making. Now you just take a spoon and just give it a little bit of stir here. Mix it up. I'm down in the South, so when we drink tea in the South, we drink it out of a mason jar. We drink it out of one of these mason jars here. And what I did is I went ahead and added some orange to it. Orange gives the tea a really good flavor. So go ahead and pour this up. Show you how it looks. And it's just a refreshing drink. I'm going to go ahead and get this back over here. Oh, and something else is you can use any kind of black tea you like. You don't have to use this. This is just the kind I'd like to use. It's pretty expensive, so I tried it with the other black tea. It still tastes good, but just the English breakfast tea really brings it out. So here's what we have. We have our mason jar with the iced tea in it. Oh man, that is so good. Hope you give this a try. It's easy to make, and it's a refreshing drink on a hot summer day. And just want to tell all my viewers, subscribers, and everybody out there in YouTube land to be safe during this virus thing. Don't let yourself get caught with that virus. It's not a good thing. This is Scoggett. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.